Hello and welcome back. If this is your first time tuning in, then welcome to 60 Second Tech, where I teach you tips and tricks on how to enhance your digital literacy in only 60 seconds or less. My name is Dalton, your friendly neighborhood librarian from the Paul Sawyer Public Library. In today's episode, we're going to kind of take it back to an earlier episode that we had where we talked about browser extensions. As a refresher, these extensions are simply applications that can be installed into your preferred web browser with the intentions of sort of enhancing its function or just your overall experience while navigating the web. Today's episode, I will be using Google Chrome as my preferred browser, and all three of these suggested extensions can be downloaded through the Google Chrome Extension Store. But know that not all of these extensions will be available across all web browsers, but I'm sure there are alternatives. So if you are interested in seeing exactly what your web browser can do, then let's start the clock and get started.
Today, most websites utilize ad space to generate revenue and support for their platform. But the more ads, the more distracting this can become. In addition, ads represent third-party data tracking companies who can monitor your habits across multiple web pages. To eliminate this from happening, use AdGuard to quickly terminate ads blocking access to your data. If using a popular email provider and unsure if your outgoing mail is secure, try using Virtue Email Protection. This free extension encrypts your email and attachments from the moment you click send to the moment it arrives in your recipient's inbox. Virtue also enables you to add watermarks, expiration dates, and even revoke access anytime after sending. The next time you use your web browser, try using Tab Manager Plus to organize both your tabs and windows by creating labels, groups, and even color codes. When you're done surfing the web, click the Save Session icon. That way, the next time you open your browser, you can reopen the group of tabs you were using before.
As always, I greatly appreciate your time and willingness to want to enhance your digital literacy. My name is Dalton, and until next time, I'll see you later.